3, 2, 1. Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are reviewing a mini drone. So this drone is for ages, it says 14 and older. Well, this must be pretty serious if it's for 14 and older. Sky Fighter Axis Gyro, fixed high hover mode, 2.4G Wi-Fi, 360-degree rollover. So without further ado, let's get started unboxing. It's got auto hovering, 1 key return, max flight time 7 minutes, speed toggle switch, headless mode, flip stunts, flashing LEDs. Wow, this drone's not kidding around, is it? So we got a manual in here. Looks like we got our charging cable right in here. They also supply you with extra wings as well. Here's a battery. Woo! Check it out, my friends. That's a pretty nice little drone, if I do say so myself. Wow. So if you press and slide up, oh, they got another battery already inside. Well, look at that, you get 2 batteries. Oh, that's a win-win situation. All right. So let's see here. I believe the on-off switch might be... Well, let's go ahead and see. I'm not sure if there's an on-off switch for the actual drone here. I don't see one, so it probably turns on when you put the battery in. Let's go ahead and place the battery inside. Now you just simply connect it. It's very simple. Line it up, connect it right in. All right, so the battery is inside. Oh, actually, I believe the on-off switch might be on the top of the drone. So let's go ahead and place this battery back inside. So far, very simple. Anyone can do this. So here we got our little controller. It's pretty cool, pretty cute. So you got buttons up here. It reminds me of like an Xbox controller. And yes, I do know what an Xbox controller is. So let's go ahead and see. They supply you with the screwdriver to open up the little bay here. They do not supply, no, they don't supply batteries in here. I'm assuming they're probably AAA batteries. We're gonna find out for you guys right now. That way you can get it all set up. Okay, looks like we need 3 AAA batteries. Let's go ahead and install them.